Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I will show you how to use Netflix Party. So let's start. So first, open up your Chrome browser and go to netflixparty.com and download the Chrome extension. Now after this, go to netflix.com and log into your Netflix account. Now from here, select a movie you want to watch with your friends or family. In this example, let's choose The Witcher. Now once you play the movie, you can also start the party. Simply click on the Netflix Party Chrome extension, and here you will have the option if you want to have the control or others can also control. Now after this, you can click on Start the Party. Copy the URL and share it to your friends. Once the party has started, a chat box will appear on the right side. So this is where you can communicate with other people in the party. Now if you want to close or disconnect from the party, just click on the Chrome browser and click on Disconnect. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.